guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm actually in Delray Beach. I'm on a little solo getaway, solo vacation. I'm doing 3 days actually in Delray, which tomorrow is gonna be my last day. And then I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm doing West Palm Beach. And so I'm vlogging the whole trip, but for today I thought I would do a little get ready with me during the day. I'm wearing workout clothes, so I'll show you the outfit. Yesterday, you know, I wore a cute little outfit with some jewelry and stuff, but today I want to be able to walk, get my steps in. I mean, even though yesterday I did get my steps in. What brought me here, I don't know, I kind of wanted to come back to Florida and kind of like see something else, you know. So yeah, I definitely like talk more in my vlog, so you'll see my vlog coming soon. I also showed you how I kind of did the hair. I mean, it's just like refresh. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, but yeah, so that's my little day. I feel like when I started recording this video, my mood was not as high, so you know, don't worry about that. My mood gets higher as the video goes on. I'm gonna go outside, enjoy the beautiful day, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy, get ready with me, but so much more is coming. So yeah, bye. Hello, let's try this out. Hotel slightly messy, maybe. I'm on vacation. I'm on a little solo trip. Yesterday was my first full day, and today is my second day. Oh my god, I'm tired. You know, I do a lot of get ready with me for my TikTok, my Instagram and stuff, which I also post on YouTube Shorts. But I thought, why not do like a get ready with me, kind of my simple makeup. So I already went for breakfast downstairs. It's crazy hot outside. I have my moisturizer, my sunscreen, and it's like a glowy sunscreen, so that's what I have on. I'm breaking out again. I don't know what happened. And yeah, this cute little dress is from Reformation. I will start with my what's it called, tinted moisturizer from NARS. Why can't I speak? I have it in the shade Sydney 1.2. I'm not gonna do too much, a little bit. Yes, I'm here by myself. I wanted to just go on a little getaway. Some of you know I really love Florida. You know, I got to spend a lot of time here last year when I was in my long distance relationship, and so I haven't been to Florida in 7 months. So I wanted to kind of come back and kind of dip my toes into Florida again, and I decided to come here because I was like, okay, it's gonna be like a cute little beach town. It's gonna be something different. It's not gonna be Miami. I will definitely be going back to Miami. To be completely honest with you, I really want to move to Miami. Now, at first I didn't really want to say it online because I was like, okay, like you should keep things for yourself, like things that like you want to achieve, sometimes it's better to keep them for yourself. Then I also thought to myself, those mouths don't get fed. Is that a saying? So I'm like, you know, let me put it out there. Maybe an opportunity is gonna, you know, come out. So that's why I wanted to come here. I was like, you know, maybe I would like here to cover my lovely pimples. So yeah, that's something I would really like, is to move here. But then I was like, you know, let me explore a different area to see how I feel. Maybe there's gonna be, you know, another city that I really love. I don't think anything compares to Miami. I'm excited. I'm going to West Palm and like Palm Beach in a couple of days, and so I'm excited to see how it compares. I think overall I would maybe like it more in Palm Beach. Here it's definitely smaller, but I still like really like it. Like, it's super cute. I think if you want to do like a cute getaway, I don't know if you have like a family or even like a couples thing. Like last year when I would be in Miami a lot, we went to Deerfield Beach, I think it's called, for like a little weekend thing, and it was cute, you know. It's like some, like, to get away from the city and stuff. So this here kind of reminds me of that. And yeah, I'm here by myself. You know, I've traveled by myself before, and it's great, you know, and it kind of allows you to kind of do your own thing, and you can really kind of see like, hey, would I see myself living here? Would I like, do I really enjoy that? You can also kind of meet people. So yesterday I actually went out to dinner, and I ended up meeting these guys, and they were really nice. And so we just, like, you know, had a great time at the restaurant and stuff, and so that was nice, you know. So I was not completely alone for dinner, because that's the only thing, like, dinners can sometimes feel lonely, but I had such a great time, you know. It was like a friendly, it was just a friendly time, so I had fun. But I'm kind of tired today because I did have 2 margaritas. It is so hot outside. I just feel like life in Florida is so like simple and nice. I really enjoy it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. So I feel like I'm back at really loving this blush. It's really great. I'm honestly kind of sad that I'm not staying longer. You know what I mean? Like I have a few, well, I did 2 nights so far. I have 6 nights, so okay, still have 4 nights, you know. But now I'm kind of like, I should have gone to Miami, but like for a day or like a couple of days. But it's okay, I will be back to Miami. I will be back. I could definitely go to Boca today because Boca is close to here. I think I would like Boca as well. I want to go to Victoria's Secret because there's a sale going on right now. My makeup is like all gonna melt kind of when I step outside, and so I feel like it's gonna look better. I feel like now when I'm looking at it, it looks so like packed on, but it's gonna be better. Having this blush, this kind of replaced my Orgasm from NARS because I finished it and I was like, okay, I have a bunch of blushes, let me not repurchase it. But it's truly like my favorite blush. It's like every time that I wear it, it just makes me look so alive. This is from Lancome in the color Make It Pop, and it's like the same kind of color. It just makes my face look so alive. You know what, I talked about color theory and stuff, and the thing is, you know, I really thought I was a soft autumn because I feel like when I'm fair and I don't know what to wear, I'm gonna reach for colors that are a lot softer and more like warm but soft, and I feel like it's a safe choice for me. I'm gonna feel good when I have those colors on. I had come to that conclusion myself, and then I just said like, hey chat, can you help me out? Like this is, I didn't even say what I thought I was, it just told me that. And then with a lot of tan, I sent in pictures and chat was like, oh, maybe like a dark autumn. It's like, okay, that makes sense. Like I do, that kind of makes sense. But when I'm fair, chat says soft autumn, soft autumn. But then on here, nobody thinks I'm a soft autumn. But anyways, all that to say that one blush color that I really like, and I guess it's more of a spring, is this. This is like my perfect blush kind of. It's not, it definitely has a gold shimmer. It's not a baby blue, like a baby doll pink. It's really like a warm corally pink that I just love so much. So I mean, I don't know, but I decided not to really care about my color season anymore. I'm gonna do a little bit of perfume oil. This one is from Nest. It's the coconut one. It just lasts forever. Let's do my lip combo. I just want to say this has become my new best friend. This is Silky Underwear by Lush. It's like baby powder. I put it in strategic areas and it really helps. Like when it's 1,000 degrees outside. And then I'm just gonna do Deeply Teddy, and then some gloss. I'm gonna do this Fenty oil. Has a really pretty shimmer. Let me go put on my sneakers because we're doing sneakers today, because yesterday I did sandals and it was great, you know, but I want to be walking today. I want to be speed walking. I want to be comfortable 100%. I want to be able to do anything today. This is the move for today. Okay, I want to do the hair too. I brushed my hair. It's plugged over there, so it's gonna be hard, but I try to put, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna move you here. Maybe the lighting would have been better here. What the hell? Why is it better? And then I flip it to the back. I take big chunks. This is like when I want to be out the door fast. Flip it. You know what I did last night? I did this actually in my hair. And I think it worked pretty well. But I will be washing my hair tonight. Yeah, I think this lighting might be slightly better, so I'm just gonna fluff it up a little bit. Okay. I usually have my my sunglasses anyways to kind of lift my hair, so that's gonna be the hair, you know. We also can't forget about some oil, the oil from Yves Rocher, just a little bit. Also smells amazing, not too much because then it looks like sweat. So there's something about me when I start filming and let's say I'm not necessarily feeling the lighting, or I'm like, I don't know if this is going to turn out the way I want it to. It's like my mood during the video is not as high because as I'm filming it, I'm like, I'm probably going to have to refilm this. But then I just took a look at the footage and the lighting is so much better than what I see in the viewfinder. I'm like, oh, everything is fine. And so I feel like in the video my mood was not as elevated. Also because last night, did I tell you in this video? I can't remember what I say because I vlog as well, I TikTok. But you know, I went out last night, I had 2 margaritas and I really don't drink a lot. Not that I want to be like, oh, I'm never drinking, because I do enjoy it sometimes. But yesterday as I was having my second margarita, I was like I was not drunk or anything, you know, but I was like, I'm not gonna feel my best tomorrow. Like I'm not gonna feel my optimized self, and I just really like to feel like my optimized self every single day. Like I'm totally fine, you know, today, like totally fine. I don't know, I feel like it definitely affects you, even if it's 1 drink or like 2 drinks, you know. So, but I'm not having a drink tonight, not at all. But you know, I'm on vacation too, so it's like you gotta live a little bit. But yeah, anyways, okay, do we have everything? I feel like leaving my hotel is always the longest thing. Okay, give me a sec, I need water. Let's pack my purse. So I've been carrying this one, which is so cute, and today I was walking to go to breakfast and a little girl, she was like, I love your purse. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. Like when little girls compliment me on stuff, I'm like, oh my god, that is so sweet. Because I think when I was young, I think I would have been way too shy to compliment an adult on like her purse or something. I probably thought it like, oh, that's a nice purse, but I think I was way too shy. So when little girls are like not shy, but also I do think I have a I think kids like me. Look at me. But I do think that I'm not intimidating for kids. I think I like to think so. Today she's like, I love your purse. I was like, oh, thank you. Like it always, like when I get compliments, it's so nice, you know, from like people in general. Libra rising, so yes, I do like compliments, but like when a kid compliments me, I'm like really taken a bit, like I'm like, oh my gosh, because for me it's like I put myself in her shoes. I'm like I was way too shy, you know, at that age. So anyways, it just was so meaningful to me, and then I wanted to give her back a compliment, because especially for little kids, like if they compliment me, like I want to say something back, but she really caught me off guard, so I didn't really know what to like. I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. I was like, I like your hat. And so I'm not gonna carry this bag today just because it's not going with the vibe. This is heavy, I can't really close it. We're doing this one today. We're doing my little Louis Vuitton, this is the Eva clutch. Oh my god, I had this for so long, for over 10 years, and it was pre-loved. I got it from Modacel. It's a Canadian pre-loved site. And okay, let's pack my bag. So I'm gonna do this. This is antibacterial. Okay, I don't know if I've ever said that in videos, but my hands get sweaty. I have hyperhidrosis in my hands, which is it used to be such a big deal for me, and now when people come to shake my hand, I'm like, oh, my hand's a little sweaty. So that's what I did last night. I'm like, when the guys wanted to shake my hands, I was like, my hand's a little sweaty, and usually they're fine with it. But I realized that most hand sanitizers make my hands even more, like, because I feel like there's a jelly texture on them, so it makes my hands want to sweat more. But this is alcohol-y based. It's like water, so I do like this, Bath and Body Works, and I've also been using it to like sanitize my phone and stuff. So I'll take that. I will take my wallet, even though, should I take my whole wallet? I'll take my wallet, my whole wallet. It's like a tiny thing. I'm gonna take my room key. I need to go and buy some gum. Like there's no CVS. I want to go to CVS, maybe grab some makeup, like drugstore makeup. The lip combo, because last night totally forgot my lip combo. I went out and no lip combo, no lip balm, no nothing. And then should I do this? I do like to bring this sometimes, well, always, usually, the brush from Charlotte Tilbury, especially if I get like necklines. Oh my gosh, I hate that. But I didn't really put on makeup there today. I'm not gonna take it. I'm not going to. Should I take a little perfume? Because I need my camera to fit in here as well, so I can't bring too much. I don't think I'll bring this, like, whatever. Are gonna be these, which I love these. I just put them in the washing machine. Okay, if you don't wash your sneakers, girl, you need to start putting your sneakers in the washing machine. It's not gonna ruin them. These are like, there's leather, there's suede, they're totally fine. You need to put your shoes in the washing machine as free. I mean, somewhat, you know what I mean? I've always done that. You know, after a while, you just want to refresh them. You want to make them look all nice and stuff. And they look brand new, brand white. So I did that. Okay, and then here we have the final outfit. So the shoes and the socks. I always do these little like ankle socks from Aritzia. And then the skirt. So the skirt, I just got this skirt actually from Lulu. So it's like bright white, you know, it's like really cute. It's a Align skirt. I get the skirt in a size 6. It's also the Align, but this is the long line version, which I kind of really like. This one is slightly small for me. I got it at an outlet and that's all they had. And then what I wanted to say is, like, it's supposed to be the same color, you know, it's the same material and everything. But because I've had this top for, I want to say a year, maybe almost 2. And like, you know, I wash it and stuff. I feel like it's not as bright looking as the skirt. But I think it's fine. So yeah, a little sporty, all white outfit. I actually think this is kind of cute. And it's not giving too sportswear, but I'm very comfortable. So, and then I don't love the way the skirt fits in the back, like, but it's fine. Okay, bye. Oh, and then here, I don't really film with this camera with artificial lighting because I feel like it doesn't really work, but that's the makeup. So yeah, bye.